Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily update for Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024. Here's a chart of the S&P 500 futures. So this was yesterday's bar. This was Wednesday's attempt at a rally. Not a very impressive bar, okay? That was a pretty weak attempt at an intraday rally. Ended up closing not far off its lows. What I want to look at today is where the market closed. All right, this white dotted line is the anchored VWAP level from the start of the year. So the way to think about this level is this is what the market on average as a whole is long at. It's the average price the market has bought the S&P 500 at, or in this case the futures. All right, and you can see how the anchored VWAP level from the start of the year can act as support. Here, it was defended again here, and it was defended again here. So we're at a pretty key level. Now, what happens when the market is trading above its anchored VWAP level is, on average, everyone in the market is in the money. All right, they're making money as long as we're above this dotted line. And this is an environment where dips will be bought because everything seems to be working. Every time we buy the dip, we make money. Now, when a symbol crosses below the anchored VWAP level, sentiment can change very quickly, all right? And we can enter a sell the rip sort of an environment. And we're kind of on the cusp of that here. We're not there yet. This level is still being defended. But when a symbol crosses below its anchored VWAP level from the start of the year, all of a sudden the market on the whole is losing money. Being long isn't working. And we end up with a different psychology, one of not when do I buy the dip, but oh goodness me, if this symbol can just rally back up to this white dotted line, I'll be able to sell my position and not record a loss on it. So let's have a look at something like Tesla, for example. So Tesla here, you can see started the year, in pretty poor shape, and every time it rallied back up to this anchored VWAP level, it met with selling. Another flush, another rally up. And you see how this anchored VWAP level just acted as resistance numerous times, and then boom, went for a big rally, come back down. Guess what? Guess what level is now acting as support again? And it's only acting as a tentative level of support. You can see we actually did close below it yesterday on Wednesday. So it's worth pointing out because markets that are trading below the anchored VWAP level from the start of the year, like I said, the investor psychology can change, and we can go from a market where everyone wants to buy the dip to a market where everyone wants to sell the rally. Why is this particularly relevant now? Well, if we look at the NASDAQ, let's just bring up NASDAQ futures. We are below that level. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 closes below the anchored VWAP level. All right. Now, okay, we did the same thing happen back here as well, but this is ominous. All right. This is a warning sign. Remember, the NASDAQ has been the index that's kind of leading. And what's been leading the NASDAQ? Well, the semiconductors. Oh, that is the wrong symbol. Bear with me a moment. SMH semiconductors are below their anchored VWAP level as well. And yesterday, Wednesday, they tried to rally, and guess where the rally stalled? Right at that anchored VWAP level. That's what I got for you today. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow.